Evergreen. Candid. New trends in Icse computer skills for class 3.
Chapter 3 Word Processor and Introduction. Key Concepts. Introduction to the word processor and its purpose. Opening and exiting the software. Components of word processor window. Create, save, and close a file. Open and edit the existing file.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Students, today we'll study about the word processors.
Word processor?
Yes. Children, you must have seen your father doing typing work in the computer, or you have yourself typed some message in Microsoft Word.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday my sister was doing some sort of typing work.
Yes, Microsoft Word is a word processing software. In this software, you can type words and sentences, and even you can cut, paste, delete, or edit the text typed in Microsoft Word while typing. In this,
how the MS Word window looks?
ribbon is located just below the title bar. Chapter 4. Chapter 5. Fun with Paint. Key Concepts.